Hey everyone, I will be showing you 9 best AI Chrome extensions in 2024 that everyone should use this. Artificial intelligence has brought about a significant transformation in various sectors, and the content creation industry is no different. The integration of AI is evident in a myriad of digital tools, software, and even browser extensions. In this video, I'll be introducing you to several beneficial AI Chrome extensions that span across diverse categories such as AI writing, SEO, emails, summarization, content editing, productivity, and more. These extensions can prove valuable for bloggers, content creators, businessmen, researchers, students, and anyone seeking to enhance their online experience. Are you prepared to streamline your activities with the assistance of these AI-powered Chrome extensions? Let us delve into it. At the forefront of our list is ChatSonic, recognized for its prowess in AI writing. While ChatGPT, a prominent language model, may sometimes lag in delivering the latest information, ChatSonic steps in to bridge this gap effectively. Crafted by WriteSonic, this conversational chatbot seamlessly integrates ChatGPT with the most up-to-date internet data. The utility of ChatSonic extends to generating compelling emails and offering intelligent responses within email threads. Moreover, it proves invaluable in curating engaging and high-quality content for your Twitter and LinkedIn profiles. However, its distinctive feature lies in its access to the latest Google data. When you perform a search query on Google, ChatSonic generates a concise yet informative summary, supported by authentic references. This capability positions it as an exceptional research and productivity tool. It is crucial to note that ChatSonic comes with a caveat: access to this extension is exclusive to those with a paid subscription to the WriteSonic AI writing tool. Unlike other Chrome extensions on our list, ChatSonic is not available for free. Nevertheless, its comprehensive features make it a worthwhile investment for those seeking enhanced research capabilities and heightened productivity in their AI-driven writing endeavors. Securing the second spot on our list is Compose AI, celebrated for its exceptional proficiency in handling emails. As an auto-completion and text generation tool driven by AI, Compose AI brings forth an array of capabilities to streamline your writing process. This Chrome extension serves as a powerful ally in automating content creation, allowing you to generate a diverse range of high-quality materials, from emails and email responses to outlines, bullet lists, blog ideas, stories, and more. Compose AI proves to be a versatile tool for content generation. A noteworthy feature of Compose AI is its seamless integration with Google Docs and Gmail. After installing the extension and setting up a free account, users gain access to its functionalities within these platforms. To initiate the text generation process, a simple // command, while drafting content prompts a menu of options catering to various use cases. However, it is important to bear in mind that the free version of Compose AI comes with limitations, capping usage at 1,000 words per month. Consequently, users are encouraged to utilize their queries judiciously and consider the premium options for extended and unrestricted access to the tool's impressive capabilities. In essence, Compose AI emerges as an invaluable asset for those seeking to enhance their email communication and content creation efficiency through the power of artificial intelligence. But before we move on, if you're excited about keeping up with the latest in artificial intelligence and staying in the know about recent trends and advancements, it is essential to hit that subscribe button on our channel. You will discover a wealth of content focused on AI updates and detailed tutorials delving into the complex realm of technology. Taking the third spot on our list is YoutubeDigest, a game changer in the realm of video consumption, particularly for those seeking efficient video summaries. Have you ever found yourself wary of lengthy and time-consuming YouTube videos? If so, this intriguing Chrome extension is tailored just for you. YoutubeDigest leverages artificial intelligence to simplify your video watching experience by extracting subtitles from YouTube videos, analyzing the transcript, and crafting concise summaries. One of the standout features of YoutubeDigest is its customization options. Users have the flexibility to choose the style in which they want their summaries presented, whether in a traditional paragraph format or the succinctness of bullet points. The adaptability of this extension adds a layer of personalization, catering to individual preferences in summarization styles. What truly impressed me about YouTube Digest is its precision in summarizing entire videos. It efficiently distills the key content and delivers in a manner that aligns with your preferred viewing style. This not only enhances the convenience of consuming video content, but also serves as a valuable time-saving tool, sparing you from the hours typically spent on extensive video footage. In essence, YouTube Digest emerges as a revolutionary extension for those who desire a more time-efficient and tailored approach to video consumption. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, this extension not only transforms the way we engage YouTube content, but also exemplifies the potential of technology to enhance our digital experiences. Securing the fourth position on our curated list is AIPRM for ChatGPT, a transformative tool designed to optimize the experience of using ChatGPT through its proficiency in generating clear and concise prompts. For seasoned users of ChatGPT, the perpetual challenge of crafting prompts that are both articulate and succinct is a well-known struggle. Enter AIPRM for ChatGPT, a solution crafted to alleviate some of the inherent difficulties associated with this task. This robust tool operates seamlessly within the ChatGPT website, serving as a valuable companion to enhance productivity. AIPRM for ChatGPT stands out by providing a meticulously curated list of prompts across various categories, catering to a diverse range of content needs. Its functionality goes beyond the conventional, making content generation with ChatGPT an effortless and streamlined process. Within AIPRM, users are presented with a multitude of content categories spanning SEO, SaaS, copywriting, sales, marketing, and more. Selecting a specific category and activity within it triggers the retrieval of a comprehensive list of available prompts. The user experience is further enriched by the ability to customize selected prompts based on parameters such as topic, output language, tone of voice, and writing style. The result is a precise and relevant content output tailored to the user's specifications, providing a substantial boost to efficiency in content creation. Whether you are a blogger, content creator, marketing agency, SEO expert, or social media manager, the potential benefits of integrating this AI tool in your workflow are substantial. AIPRM for ChatGPT emerges as a highly effective resource, streamlining the creative process and offering a valuable toolset for those seeking to elevate their content generation capabilities. Claiming the fifth spot on our comprehensive list is Quillbot, a distinguished text paraphrasing tool that stands out for its utilization of artificial intelligence. Functioning as an advanced language processing tool, Quillbot offers a sophisticated approach to content refinement by analyzing your text and providing both standard and fluency suggestions. What sets Quillbot apart is its ability to offer real-time grammar suggestions as you actively draft your content, ensuring a seamless and efficient writing experience. One of the notable advantages of Quillbot is its extensive accessibility, as it seamlessly integrates into popular writing platforms such as Google Docs, LinkedIn, Gmail, and even extends its reach through an extension compatible with Microsoft Word. The flexibility to harness Quillbot's capabilities across various writing environments enhances its practicality for a diverse range of users. Delving deeper into the Quillbot ecosystem, a visit to its website unveils a treasure trove of additional tools that complement its core paraphrasing functionality. These include a grammar checker for meticulous proofreading, co-writers serving as a writing assistant, a summarizer for condensing lengthy content, and a citation generator to streamline the often tedious task of creating citations. Beyond its functionality, Quillbot earns praise for its user-friendly interface, presenting a visually appealing and intuitive platform. An especially commendable feature is the finely tuned expand function, which adds a layer of refinement to paraphrasing process. In essence, Quillbot emerges as an invaluable asset for bloggers, copywriters, and content creators seeking to elevate the quality and uniqueness of their written content. Its comprehensive suite of tools, coupled with an aesthetically pleasing interface, positions Quillbot as a must-have resource in the arsenal of those looking to enhance the precision and sophistication of their writing endeavors. Securing the sixth position on our comprehensive list is the indispensable TinEye reverse image search, celebrated for its unparalleled prowess in detecting image plagiarism. If you have ever encountered plagiarized images and found yourself struggling to trace their origin, TinEye steps in to resolve the predicament in a matter of seconds. TinEye stands out as a robust reverse image search engine that harnesses the capabilities of image recognition technology. This powerful tool compares your uploaded image with an extensive database comprising billions of images circulating on the internet, swiftly identifying and listing the original sources. Going above and beyond mere source identification, TinEye also provides insight into the current usage and context of the image across the web. Navigating the functionalities of this Google Chrome extension is a straightforward process, contributing to its user-friendly appeal. With a simple right-click on any image, users can initiate a quick search by selecting the Check with TinEye option. Additionally, the extension accommodates manual upload of image files or the pasting of image links into its search bar, offering flexibility in its usage. The utility of TinEye extends across various professional domains, making it an invaluable resource for graphic designers, bloggers, content moderators, freelancers, and anyone dealing with visual content. Its efficiency in uncovering image plagiarism not only aids in maintaining the integrity of creative work but also serves as a vital tool in content moderation and intellectual property protection. In conclusion, TinEye reverse image search emerges as an indispensable ally for those navigating the digital landscape, providing a seamless and powerful solution to the pervasive issue of image plagiarism. Its user-friendly interface, coupled with its advanced image recognition capabilities, positions TinEye as an essential tool in the toolkit of professionals seeking to safeguard the authenticity and originality of visual content. Securing the 7th spot on our comprehensive list is Copyleaks, a groundbreaking tool lauded for its exceptional capabilities and AI content detection. In an era dominated by the surge of AI-generated content, distinguishing between authentic and AI-created material has become an intricate challenge. Copyleaks emerges as a formidable solution to this dilemma, serving as an AI content detector specifically designed to analyze and identify content generated by bots, AI writing tools, and platforms like ChatGPT. The Copyleaks extension distinguishes itself through its remarkable user-friendliness, making it accessible to a broad spectrum of users with varying levels of technical expertise. To utilize this tool effectively, users simply need to select the block of text they wish to scrutinize and paste it into the Copyleaks text box. The AI-driven system then diligently analyzes the content, discerning between original and artificially generated segments. The results are presented in a comprehensible format, indicating the percentage of AI content detected, along with a concluding statement summarizing the findings. What sets Copyleaks apart is not just its functionality, but also the insightful data it provides to users. The tool doesn't merely flag AI-generated content, it offers a nuanced understanding of the extent to which artificial intelligence has influenced the text, enriching the user's comprehension of the content's origin. While the free version of Copyleaks allows users to check up to 2,500 words, the potential applications of this tool are vast. Content moderators, editors, publishers, educators, and anyone involved in evaluating written material can benefit significantly from Copyleaks. It serves as a crucial line of defense against the infiltration of AI-generated content, ensuring the preservation of authenticity and integrity in a landscape increasingly dominated by automated text creation. In essence, Copyleaks stands as a commendable and indispensable resource, empowering users to navigate the intricate landscape of AI-generated content with confidence and precision. Its ability to unravel the complexity of AI influence in written material makes it an invaluable asset for professionals across various domains, contributing to the maintenance of standards and originality in the digital content sphere. Securing the 8th position on our meticulously curated list is Fireflies, a dynamic AI solution renowned for its exceptional proficiency in summarizing meetings, videos, and blogs. If you find yourself grappling with the fear of missing crucial details during your meetings, Fireflies AI emerges as the perfect antidote to your concerns. Fireflies functions as a sophisticated AI meeting assistant, seamlessly recording, transcribing, and crafting comprehensive meeting notes and summaries. Compatible with a plethora of meeting platforms including Google Meet, Zoom, WebEx, and more. Fireflies proves to be a game changer for corporate employees and business owners alike. Its ability to automate the often labor-intensive process of meeting documentation streamlines workflows and enhances productivity in a professional setting. However, the utility of Fireflies extends beyond the confines of meeting rooms. With its innovative chatbot, AskFred, Fireflies takes content summarization to new heights. Users can leverage AskFred to generate concise summaries for blog posts, videos, and emails, tapping into the power of AI to analyze content intelligently and provide coherent responses to queries. The flexibility of AskFred allows users to choose from a set of predefined queries or submit custom queries tailored to their specific needs. Personal experiences with Fireflies have revealed its efficacy, particularly in research endeavors where meticulous documentation and summarization are paramount. However, it is crucial to note that the free version of Fireflies offers a limited allocation of 5 credits, potentially restricting extensive usage. In essence, Fireflies stands as a multifaceted tool catering to the diverse needs of professionals across various domains. Its role as a meeting assistant elevates the efficiency of corporate interactions, while the capabilities of AskFred make it an invaluable asset for content creators, researchers, and anyone seeking intelligent and automated content summarization. Though the free version has limitations, the potential benefits of Fireflies make it a worthwhile investment for those who prioritize precision and productivity in their daily work routines. Topping off our comprehensive list at the illustrious 9th position is the innovative ChatGPT for Chrome, a groundbreaking tool that emerges as a paragon in the realm of content research. In the dynamic landscape of information exploration, Google Search and ChatGPT are undeniably two of the most influential platforms, each wielding distinct strengths. Google, revered for its prowess in data retrieval, excels in offering up-to-the-minute information. Conversely, ChatGPT, a leading language model, shines in its ability to provide articulate and engaging responses, recognizing the potential synergy that arises from combining these strengths. ChatGPT for Chrome takes center stage as a transformative solution. The unique proposition of ChatGPT for Chrome lies in seamless integration with your OpenAI ChatGPT account, presenting ChatGPT-generated results in tandem with your Google Search Engine Results Page or SERP queries. This amalgamation of the real-time data retrieval capabilities of Google and the nuanced responses from ChatGPT reshapes the landscape of content research, offering users an unparalleled blend of efficiency and sophistication. Imagine a scenario where you can harness the latest data directly from Google and concurrently receive insightful and articulate responses from ChatGPT, all within a single interface. This visionary integration not only bridges the gap between data access and articulate interpretation, but also revolutionizes the content research process. Beyond its integration capabilities, ChatGPT for Chrome offers a superlative approach to content research, delivering an efficient and comprehensive methodology that saves valuable time for users. This tool streamlines the research process, enabling users to seamlessly blend the real-time data prowess of Google with the articulate responses offered by ChatGPT. In essence, ChatGPT for Chrome stands as a beacon of innovation and collaboration in the digital landscape. By converging the strengths of two influential platforms, it emerges as an essential resource for bloggers and content researchers seeking to optimize their workflow and elevate the efficiency of their information exploration endeavors. Its potential to revolutionize the way we synthesize information makes it an invaluable asset for those engaged in the dynamic and ever-evolving field of digital content creation and curation. In this video, we explore the top AI-driven extensions designed for Chrome. These extensions aim to boost productivity and streamline tasks for users. I hope you gained valuable insights from this video. Have you previously utilized any of these AI Chrome extensions? Are there specific ones you are planning to test out? Additionally, do you have any recommendations for other noteworthy extensions? Feel free to share your experiences and suggestions in the comments section. And be sure to give us a thumbs up, share this content, and subscribe for more insights on AI. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to connecting with you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned.